How to hide from Find Friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the Find Friends feature on Snapchat. This will help you to protect your privacy and control who can find you. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And here, once you have opened the Snapchat app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your settings section, simply scroll down to the privacy control section. And here, in this section, simply look for the option called See Me in Find Friends and tap on it. Now here in this section you can see the option labeled as Show Me in Find Friends. So just untick that option to turn it off. And that's it. Now your Snapchat profile won't be visible to people who don't already have you added or even if they have your phone number. But keep in mind that people who know your username or have scanned your Snap code will still add you. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.